Two things that I want to highlight from the things that we have discussed in our preparation so far. Number one thing, that the goal of Ramadan is to become a person of taqwa. We have looked at what it takes to be a person of taqwa. What does that mean? And we have looked at that the different benefits that come once we attain a level of taqwa that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala desires us to have. And the second thing, which is perhaps the most important thing that we have discussed so far, is that in attaining that taqwa, the thing that restricts us, the thing that acts as the biggest hindrance for us, is one and only our sins. And I asked and I requested and I prayed for myself, for all of you, that if we want to do one thing and one thing alone between when we spoke about it on last Tuesday and now, and from then onwards actually, is that just make sure that we do not sin. That's the one and only thing that we must ensure that we should not do. Sinning comes with a cost. Sinning has its effects. Sinning destroys everything. The antidote to taqwa is sinning. We can talk about taqwa, we can talk about who the people of taqwa are, we can talk about what great benefits the taqwa gets, and we can talk about, high level of muttaqi and the people of the awliyas and all of that. But if we are sinning, we're not going anywhere. If we have to do one thing, without doing anything extra, without doing any extra zikr, any extra nafal, any extra ibadat, any extra goodness, we just should make sure that we should not sin. If we do that, we have already attained a certain level of walayat. We have already attained a certain level of taqwa. If we do not leave sinning, then it's all going to get drained. Any noor that, no matter how much good we do, eventually the end result is that it will all be drained out. It's like a hole in our heart. It's a puncture that we are carrying with us, which will drain us. Every time it will drain us. It will never let us have that noor that will come into play when we need it.